Today we're going to be playing my fidget toys. Here's this, and my squishy dog, and a squish. My squishy turtle's cute. Let's try squishy turtle first. Don't mind my parents, guys. I always say that in my videos, but not all of them. Here's the springy. Okay, and then this cute doggy, it could fit in your thumb, because there's like a hole in his butt cheek. Squishy. And I love this puppet. It's like, you can do this. And it's like a lot of fun. And you can flip this over. So like, there's this smiley face. Turns into a glowing kiss face. And this part, I love the best part. Feels so good. And I love this part. Here's what I love about this fidget. You can do this. I love this. Bye, and remember to subscribe. Click.